Hi kids, today we will make bird feeder. Do you know what is the meaning of bird feeder? Bird feeder is a pot in which you give food to the birds. And today we will make that. You can put food, you can put water in that, and you can place it on the roof, you can place it in the garden or in the balcony to feed the birds. And how we will make that? Come, let's go and see. We need a pot, we need white color, we need fevicol. I have some sticking stone, I have this decorative material with me, and I have this sparkle tube with me. First of all, we will start with painting. Dip the brush in the color and start painting. I have done from this side and now I will turn it. Now we will do paint on the sides. We will not cover the surface area, we will just cover the sides. So I have covered this area and now I'll turn it. And now we will do the decoration wala part. We have this decorative material. I have these sticking stones and I am starting with them. You can use whatever material is available. Cover it with the sticking stone. Now we have these stars and we will paste these stars with the help of fevicol. Now we have these smileys and we will use them also. You can use whatever material is available to decorate this. Now I am using this sparkle tube. Now I am using small mirrors to decorate it. So as you can see, our bird feeder is ready to use. Thank you.